guys, welcome back. We're gonna do a haul video now, first one. So here are some sanding bands from McCart. And we also have some buffing blocks, 180, 240 grit, because I need some of those. And then I got these 3 different varieties of glitter. And here with me, I also have a little girl named Timber. Say hi, Timber.
Hi, hi, hi.
So she's gonna be on here with me, and we're gonna be looking at all of this fun stuff. So I have a cuticle bit for the drill. Yeah, bit. And then we have this glitter jelly poly gel kit.
Which looks pretty beautiful.
It is. It's got a file in it, and then it has the spatula and the brush, of course. And it comes with base coat and top coat.
Yep.
And then it's got all of those. What's in those, you think?
Yeah, I don't know.
The poly gel.
But it looks like mermaid color.
Yeah, it is. It's like pretty color. The packaging is definitely pretty. There's the instruction booklet. And then, of course, the dual forms. And with this one, it does have 3 flat and 3 curved sizes in there. So that's kind of cool. It gives you both options. So here's the colors that it comes in. What color is that? Blue. Now what?
Purple. Pink. Silver kind of color.
Mm-hmm. Isn't that pretty? That's
Yeah.
pretty.
And it has glitter.
I know. And of course we got more files. I don't know. I guess I thought I needed some files. So over ordered files. Look, it's got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, every day of the week it's got files. So they're 100 and 180 grit, or they are 180 and 240 grit. So we have another polygel kit. Look at the colors on this one.
Whoa.
I know, I like this one. This is pretty color. Also has yet another file, because apparently I need more of those. And then we have a dual-ended brush and spatula again, base coat, top coat. And then of course, the polygels. And we'll have our instruction booklet. And then the dual forms. And this dual form does not give you both curved and flat. This one just gives you the standard ones that it comes with, which was all the curved ones. And now, colors.
That's a purple.
Mm-hmm.
There's a light blue, kind of dark.
Oh, it might be like a blue-green.
Yeah.
And
And then a dark purpley. And then a dark blue. So it goes by light, dark. So there's a light purple. Then this is white.
Like an iridescent. Look at those. They're all glittery and sparkling pretty too.
I love them. They're pretty cute.
Pretty cute. And here is a new nail drill that I got from McCart, and it comes with all of those pieces and some more sanding bands, which I'm never apparently going to run out of because over-ordered files and things. So here's all the stuff that comes in the box: plugs, stands, hand pieces. And I didn't realize at first that it didn't show the speed on the actual drill, but it just has the little on-off. You can like move the speed, but you don't know how fast it's going. And of course the reverse and forward and input and output. And it's gonna have the little handle for the handpiece. You know, just your standard drill, but again, kind of disappointed it doesn't show you the speed that you're on. I didn't realize it.
Dog.
Yeah, we got a dog. She's gonna keep talking. She's gonna talk. She wants to say something too. And I finally got a dust collector, which I did not have and I definitely need. So it's gonna show you again the booklet. Thank you, ma'am. It's gonna show you the booklet and all of everything. Oh, look, it's washable. See that right there? Wash that. What? Washable's dope. All right, we got 20 colors from Beetles. And here's the application, guys. 20 colors, bro. And there's the application.
I'm gonna
guide.
do the colors. I wanna do the colors.
Okay, well here's there's the 3 little things it gives you. And
Whoa.
of course it's top coat, base coat, and a matte coat. Matte top coat's always awesome. All right, Here's the 20 colors, starting with this
341, and this is gold. This is a pretty gold.
gold glitter.
Yes. Girl, what you doing? And this is 342, I think.
Yep.
And it's a purpley.
It's like a maroony brown, purpley brown thing.
Yep. And this one's black.
You gotta have black.
Yeah. Black is like the most top color thing.
Yep.
Now we got some blue, white, cloudy color.
Blue gray.
Blue gray.
Yeah.
340. Well, not 300. Well, whatever. Just 333. And this is a blue, like cloudy. 334 is
Like
a blue,
yeah.
turquoise, which I love.
It's like an Elsa blue.
A dark blue, which is 345. 346 is a darker blue. And then 337.
336 before, but it's
It
okay.
was. This one is yellow, 337.
Here's 338.
338 is dark green, like a forest color.
There it is. Boom! You hit that. You just said that right.
339 is a purpley.
It's a plum color.
Plum.
Plum.
340 is like a glitter silver color.
Because you always need a glitter silver.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, who doesn't need glitter?
Everybody needs glitter in their life.
Yeah.
Of course.
And there's a white and pink.
That's like a pink, isn't it? Check that out.
Pink. 327 is orangey, kind of like a pumpkin something,
That's
or
like
lighter.
Yeah, it's like a little neon orange.
This one's for pumpkin.
Whoa! Check out the brightness of that.
Yeah, 329. I don't really have to say the
That's
letters,
like a
but
purple pink.
this is like a purple pink in it, and it's pretty.
It is pretty color.
This one's like a kind of red, and I like this color because it's pretty cool.
What's this
So
one?
this one's kind of like a brown, like chocolate.
Chocolate. We like chocolate.
And this one is like a kind of tan or pink something.
Yeah, it's like a little pink.
And that's all the colors.
That's all the colors dried and cured. 20 of them. Looks pretty awesome. And this is our universal tips from Not Polish.
There's lots of nails in this kit.
There is. These are just the tips. You have to glue these onto your nails because these aren't the full nails. See? Right there's the little moon shape at the bottom. So you put them on your nails and glue them on, and then you can put the nail stuff on top of it to build the nail.
Yep.
So here is a V cutter. So it can cut V's. There's a little deep French. I think it's
Gold.
I think it's called deep French cutter.
Dog.
And an acrylic brush.
Which is pretty cool because it has glitter in it.
Yeah, everything with glitter. There's the monomer, which you love the smell of.
I hate that. Don't listen to her.
So we're gonna get into the acrylics now. And please don't mind my lack of knowing exactly what to do and putting them on the swatches because I don't really know. But that's a clear. Ooh, yeah. How do you get the bubbles out of the clear? Is it liquid? Too much liquid? I don't know. Somebody tell me. But here is a, what does that say? Nude Panther? Is that what
Nude
that said?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's
Something like that.
a peachy nude color. It's pretty awesome. I think it's pretty. It matches perfectly.
Yeah, like our tan skin.
Yeah, this one is only like just acrylic powder. All the other ones were like acrylic and dip. So that one was the only just pure acrylic. But that one's milky white.
Oh, and this is
Yes.
kind of normal white.
Yes. Ooh, look at that.
Purpley paper.
I think it's Mambasita.
Oh.
I know, that is a poppin' purple. Poppin' purple. Okay. But it's cool. I like it. It's cute. Whoa. Check that green out.
It looks like it
Hot
glows.
lime. Looks like a tennis ball. It's tennis. I just noticed that. It's tennis ball green. Oh no. Well, could probably use it for Halloween. And the cotton candy. Check that out. It says sparkle on the thing, but there's no sparkle in that. So I don't know why it says sparkle. But this is black, right? And I assumed it was black, just black, but it has glitter in it, which is I didn't know it would be glittery. It doesn't say anything about shimmer or glitter or anything when you're gonna buy it. It just says black. So I was kind of a little disappointed that it had glitter in it. I just wanted like a black. But it is what it is. But here's white glitter. Now that says it has glitter in it. So you know you're getting white and glitter.
Yeah.
It's pretty. It's pretty. Look at all that shimmer. Woo woo. Glitter. And then this one is nothing but straight glitter.
Yep.
Look at that. It's sugar glitter.
Ooh.
Sugar effect. Like you sugar your nails, you can put it on top, and then it's so sparkly. It looks awesome.
Yep.
And there, of course, is the Gloss It top coat from Not Polish, and the Matte It top coat from Not Polish. You can't have enough. And then Just J Nails with her Pink Clouds cuticle hand cream. That stuff is like, look at that. It instantly like melts on your skin. It is so smooth and it smells good and has got all kinds of awesome stuff, which is good for you. Shea butter, coconut oil, avocado oil, cocoa butter, and fragrance oil. Smells yummy. Get your discount at her site right there. Let her know you saw it here. And I do have this, but I also had it on a, this is my second one, I should say. I got this sent by McCart for free. So it's not the full Femi Beauty collection, but it's the polygel kit. So it has, you know, all of this stuff, which I've already shown in my other review video. I'm not entirely sure what I'm gonna do with this kit. I'll figure something out because again, I got that for free and I already have one. So we'll figure that out. So this is my awesome haul video.
Bye, guys.
Bye guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye, peeps.